Vukile has closed its book build announced earlier today in light of strong demand. The amount of capital raised was increased from 750 million rand to 1.1 billion rand. The chief executive of Vukile Property Fund, Laurence Rapp, joins us now for more on the line. Laurence, good to speak to you once more. You make an announcement of the book build at 7:44 this morning, and just after 11 o'clock the book build is closed. I take it you didn't expect this kind of result from shareholders then?
Hi, thanks very much. Yes, we're absolutely delighted with the results. The book was heavily oversubscribed, approximately 2.5 times oversubscribed, and really could have closed the books a little bit earlier, in fact, than we did. But overall, very happy with the response from the shareholders, good pricing, and importantly, it gives us the ammunition to continue delivering on our strategy.
The investment and the results of the book build, where are you hoping to plunge this money into?
Sure. So there are a couple of deals that have already closed, and this is the funding for them. One of them being the Nessie Mall. The Nessie is a centre of around 31,000 square metres in Queenstown. Got a very strong national component of over 90% in that centre. So that's a nice addition to the portfolio. We also are paying for the management company that's been managing Synergy. That's a business called Cattle Land Asset Management. This really is now the final step in the Synergy deal. We've got financial control. We've been working to get the management control, and that deal is now closing in the next day or so. So part of the money is to pay for that. And then we've got a healthy pipeline as well of further assets coming through. And it's raising the money in anticipation of those closings, and really all very consistent with our strategy. So it's continuing to grow the fund in terms of high-quality assets, retail assets, and the fund today, if you just take our existing portfolio plus Synergy, and the ones I've mentioned being the Nessie, Moruleng Mall, Batu Plaza, the portfolio is sitting at around 14.5 billion, of which 65% is retail. So we're very happy with where the portfolio is sitting at the moment, and hopefully as a further pipeline develops over the next year or so, that will add to the further quality and accretion of the portfolio overall.
Laurence, the impact that this deal has on your relationship with Encha Group?
Well, I think very positive. Encha, as you recall, when we did the deal, Encha had an initial stake in the company. And then we had a special authority put in place where we could allocate shares to Encha at around 250 million rand per annum for them to claw up their stake. So we are ecstatic with the fact that Encha has followed their commitment in terms of that agreement. We placed 250 million with them last year, so they've in fact increased their stake by 500 million now since their original investment in Vukile. Which is great. What it does for us, importantly, is it keeps increasing our empowerment shareholding. And because of the innovative structure we have in our empowerment deal, we in fact grow our empowerment shareholding as the company grows, as opposed to the normal situation where people dilute their empowerment credentials as they grow, because generally the empowerment partners don't have the funding lines in place to follow their rights.
Laurence, we're going to have to leave it there. Thank you so much for giving us an update with regard to that book build that took place this morning. That was Vukile Property Fund Chief Executive Laurence Rapp.